Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Odyssey door armrest, only ways. Start by gathering basic tools: trim pry, Phillips screwdriver, 10mm socket, magnetic tray, and masking tape. Remove the inner panel carefully, label screws, and keep clips intact. Follow the sequence in this guide to avoid panel cracking. Take your time, test electrical switches before sealing, and recheck clip alignment for a flush, professional finish. In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Odyssey door armrest, only ways. Lay out your tools and prepare a clean workspace with good lighting. This saves time and frustration. Use a trim pry to free clips gently and keep fasteners organized by step. A magnetic tray prevents lost screws, and labeling screws ensures each part returns to its original hole. Work methodically to keep trim intact and wiring secure. In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Odyssey door armrest, only way. If you're finding this useful, please subscribe and like, it really helps. Quick recommendation: socks life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty link in description. They're unexpectedly comfortable when working on cars. Check the description for that link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to replace Honda Odyssey door armrest, only way. First, remove visible screws, the handle bezel, and any hidden fasteners, then carefully free the panel from clips starting at the bottom. Disconnect power connectors and slide out the old armrest, keeping track of any spacers or clips. Mount the new armrest, connect wiring, test switches and locks, then align clips and reinstall screws for a secure, factory-like finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.